Why would you do that?
What do you mean?
Why would you just throw your crush like that? Don't you know? The birds will come.
What's going on here? Don't you know bread attracts birds? Birds!
Team meeting. Team meeting. They got us surrounded.
Look, I don't think we have anything to worry about. These guys are obviously just bikers with backgrounds in theater.
If you run, they'll shit on you.
How do they shit on you?
Same way anything shits on anything.
This is ridiculous. I'm gonna just go talk to them. Oh, excuse me. Hi, we don't want any trouble.
Now!
If...
Doggone it, fucker!